Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at Clickfunnels and how to actually use them in affiliate marketing, how to leverage the power of sales funnels with Clickfunnels. Alright, I personally use Clickfunnels, I love them, so we're going to have a look at it. Now, without further ado, let me just fire up my laptop and I'm going to show you how it looks from the inside. So here we are on the main website of Clickfunnels. As you can see over here, you have the start free 14-day trial now, so you can go ahead and do it by yourself. The sign up process, I'm not going to go through it with you. It's very self-explanatory and you can do it really easy. So I'm going to show you how it looks from the inside. Alright, so here you have it. Here is the kind of like my account. You can see how it looks from the inside. Here you have the funnels and all of that stuff. Now, before we get into the whole creation of the funnels, alright, and how it works, let's just talk a little bit more about the sales funnels and why they are so powerful and important, alright? So I'm going to use this kind of a whiteboard over here so you can better understand it. So what a sales funnel actually does for you is that it actually helps you or enables you to direct the activity your viewer is able to do or is not able to do, right? Now, when it comes to the websites, the traditional websites, it looks something like this, right? You have a website over here. Sorry about this. Once again, so you have a website, all right? And then you have lots of menus over here at the top, right? Like about section, these are some categories. This can be like contact us, this can be I don't know what, right? So many things. Then when you click on this one, then you have like another bunch of options over here, and it's just really confusing and you're not sure which one to choose, right? Now, this leaves the customer or the viewer very confused, and it just a little bit frustrates it as well, because it's just too many things and you don't really know where to go. Now, what a sales funnel actually does, let me just delete all of this. What a sales funnel actually does for you is that you can direct the activities your viewer is doing by actually offering him only one action to do. So a sales funnel, or one step of the funnel, actually looks like this one. Here you have like a title over here. Here is, for example, this activity to do, and then there is the button. So for example, you want them to leave your email address. You've probably seen this, right? This is kind of like an opt-in page. So here is the place for the email to put them, all right? And here is a button to click, right? So here is some title, just a headline, and that's pretty much it. There is nothing else to do, all right? Once they click on this button, they go straight to the next page, the next step in your funnel, which is again very similar website with different action to do. So again, there is going to be a headline over here. Maybe you will do a video over here. You will offer them a video to watch, and again another button. All right. Now, if you're using funnels for affiliate marketing, all right, this is pretty much what you should actually use. So here is your opt-in page, more or less. All right. You have a headline. It is your email address, the place for them to put your email address. You collect these email addresses, all right? You collect them into your autoresponder or somewhere else, right? Once they click on the button, you send them to the next page, which is going to be your bridge page, all right? This is the bridge. Excuse my handwriting. I know it's not the best one. All right, it's bridge, all right? And here is the opt-in. All right, here is the opt-in page. So here you have again another headline over here. Here is a video that you want them to watch, and here is a button which leaves or sends them straight to the sales page. All right, and this is exactly what Clickfunnels or you are able to do in Clickfunnels. All right, guys, so what is this bridge page? If you don't know what a bridge page is, I have a whole video about the importance of a bridge page, which you can watch just up there. But what a bridge page actually essentially does is it delivers on your promise from the opt-in page. All right, you probably promise them something to give them for the exchange of the email address, like for example, how to lose weight in 4 weeks, So they put their email address and they're expecting the information to receive that information in exchange for the email address. So on this bridge page, you actually deliver it. All right. So this is pretty much just a more or less in a nutshell what sales funnels are, all right, and how it actually works. So let's go back into our Clickfunnels, all right, and let's create exactly this funnel over here. So once you are in your Clickfunnels account, all right, you go into the Clickfunnels and click on funnels over here, and we're going to create a brand new funnel. So here you will have your own ones which you are using or you have. So in here in the top right corner, we're going to click on build a new funnel, and here we're going to be asked what kind of a funnel. So just a classic funnel, and we're going to choose the collect emails one, right? I'm not sure what is this one, so let's just choose this one, give it a name like a test, just test one, right? Yeah, all right. So now we wait until it builds it up, and we're going to choose our templates. All right, now here we have only two steps. You can have more, but for the sake of this video, we're going to use only 2 of them. So for the templates of the opt-in page, I like to use a plain one, or like a squeeze page, basic squeeze page, something like this. So let me just create this one, and let's have a look at what it offers. So this is pretty much, now you have your template chosen, and we're going to edit it in the edit page section. All right, so I'll just click on that, wait a little bit, and we're going to have a look what we can do with it. So as you can see, you have a bunch of things over here. Now just to understand, here is the the green section, which is the biggest one. As you can see, the whole section is green. Then you have the blue ones, which are the smaller ones, all right? And then you have orange ones, which are the smallest ones, like the text and all of that stuff. So if you don't want something over here, you can just delete it and get rid of it. That's what I like about Clickfunnels. It's literally click and drop thing. You don't have to be any tech savvy to create very wonderful funnels. So for example, I don't really want anything from here, so I'm just going to click on delete and get rid of that. Also, I don't really like this proposition over here. I want them to be one under another. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to create a new blue element by clicking on this blue plus button, add new row. So just click on that and choose one column, all right? And now we have this. So add new element, that's going to be the orange one, and we're going to choose the input section, all right? And again, another input section. All right, now we can get rid of this one, again the blue one, right? We get rid of that, and now if you can play with it as much as you want. Obviously this says email address, so you can just change it for example your first name. All right, first name. Input type is going to be the first name then, and let's just use like required. Then you can choose the email address, input type, again choose email address. If you want it to be in the middle of it, you go into under advanced, and text align is going to be center, right? Again, the same for the first name. All right, now I'm going a little bit maybe faster than you would expect, but I just wanted to keep it clean and tight so we don't waste too much time. I don't really want this element to be here, so I'm just going to get rid of that. All right, now if you are in the make money online niche, all right, you can actually keep this headline because it's actually a pretty good one. Clickfunnels know how to do that. All right, if you are in a different niche, all right, like for example weight loss or whatever else, you can change it obviously. So let's just use how something like learn how to lose weight in 4 weeks without starving out. All right, something like this. Again, just play with it a little bit. I'm obviously just making this up. So let's just use this, all right? And this is our headline. Now, I like to use headline like this, which is like a pleasure, how to lose weight, right? Without a pain point, which is starting at lots of diet plans are, you know, like people think that diet plans are really about, you know, starving out and all of that stuff. So you can use this without starving out as a good point. If you want to change the colors, again, you just go into the settings of it and change the color to, for example, you can do blue one, all right? And if you want, for example, bold color, you know, something to highlight, like the without, I like to use that. So you can choose the bold color to be red, right? Something like this. Again, you can use different fonts. I like to use this one and just do a bigger one like this one, all right? Now, you can actually leave this one, it's actually pretty good. Again, just adjust it to whatever you're offering to your customer. Like for example, I use training, you know, this is good. The button, we're going to change to, for example, click here for instant access, right? We can do it a little bit bigger, perfect. I actually like this one, get immediate access even at 3 a.m. in the morning. That's actually a good one. So I'm going to leave that like it is, and this is pretty much it for our opt-in page. We're going to just set the action for the button, all right? You need to set the action like submit order form, okay? That's what we want, and we're going to save it. All right, don't forget to save it, otherwise it's not going to be there. So this is our opt-in page. Let's just do our bridge page over there. All right, guys. Now, don't worry if it is too fast for you or anything like that. If you miss something, just rewatch it. I'm going to also leave this funnel for you to grab in the description below of this video. So if you want, you can just grab this particular funnel that we're building over here, and you can use it for whatever you want. All right. So over here on the second page, I'm going to use a sales page, and again, I like to use some clean ones. I'm not sure why. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I like to use this one, super clean, very easy to do. Okay, again, we don't have to clean too much things. So again, we go into the edit page, all right, and let's just load it up a little bit, and we're going to edit it to our likings. All right, now I always recommend everybody to use a video in their bridge pages, all right, because that's the best way how you can connect with your viewers. All right, now I know many people are actually scared of that, or have some kind of like, you know, fear of it, but don't worry, you know, I myself was really scared of all the videos, you know, so you can definitely overcome it, and I actually encourage you to do that because it helps you not only in your business but also in your confidence and your personal life. Okay, it helped me tremendously with confidence as well. So so just go ahead and create a video of your own. All right, guys, so let's just head over to this one and edit it to our liking. So again, I'm going to delete this one. We don't need that. We actually don't need this one as well. Product launches, no need for that. All right, the button we leave. This one is okay. So here you can, again, you know, the point of the bridge page is to deliver on your promise. So you promise them to show them or teach them how to lose weight in 4 weeks. So here you can put something like discover how this small dinner habit can help you lose 1 pound a week, for example. Okay, I'm not sure if this is actually possible. Okay, I'm not into weight loss, but this is just literally like an example for you to understand the topic. Okay, so again, we can play with the fonts, you know, play with the fonts, play with the whole viewing of it, how it looks like. Okay, text color is so the orange. This is a little bit sometimes tricky, you need to go into the orange one. All right, bold color can be again red one. So let's do, like, for example, small dinner habit is going to be bold. Lose 1 pound a week is going to be bold, okay? Something like this. Even without changing a single thing about that's actually not that bad. I'm going to use it. Single thing about your daily diet. For instance, okay, this is pretty catchy over here. So that's pretty much our headline. If you don't like this one, if you want, you see that this is pretty close to the headline, and if you want it to be a little bit lower, you go into the top margin section and you put something like this, 20. Okay, this looks pretty good. Here is the video, so click on it, and here is where the video is going to be uploaded to. Okay, so if you have your video on YouTube, on Vimeo, Vistia, whatever it is, just choose the type that you have. All right, so for example YouTube, and here is the YouTube URL. So you just put literally the link of the video over here, and it's going to be embedded into your funnel. Again, here we have our button. So again, click here for instant access. Okay, and you set the action to go to a specific URL, and that's going to be your affiliate link. All right, now that's pretty much it. Button action not set. Yes, we have, obviously this is not going to be here, but for example google.com at the moment. All right, and that's pretty much it. We're all good to go. Now there's only one more step we need to do. We save this. Yeah, let's just do small dinner hack or whatever. All right, we don't necessarily need to do this at the moment, but you can. Okay, that's just going to change the headline of it at the tab. So we go back a little bit to our menu of the funnels, and we're going to copy this link. Okay, and we go into our opt-in page because we need to connect these two pages at the moment. All right, so go into the edit page of the opt-in form, and we're going to connect this. So once they click on the button, all right, in our opt-in form over here, when they click on it, they're going to be redirected to our video. Okay, so we go into the settings and we go under general, and here is it on submit, go to, and you just paste your link to the video. Okay, that's pretty much it. And obviously, if you are using any other email marketing software such as Aweber, GetResponse, or something like this, you want this to be connected to your accounts. So what you can do is just click on the integrations and add it to your likings. Okay, so whichever you want. I use personally GetResponse. Okay, so you can connect it to yours, whichever you're using. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, for the ClickFunnels. Again, I'm going to leave this funnel, this particular funnel, in the description below of the video. All right, so if you want, you can just grab it and use it straight away for your liking, edit it as much as you want. All right, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you learned a lot of stuff. I hope you see the power of sales funnels in your affiliate marketing. And listen, guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn more about how to build a sustainable business, affiliate marketing business that brings in consistent sales and profits, then you can grab my 4-day video series where I teach you exactly about how to actually build that. You know, in all of the 4 videos, I talk about in great detail about each step that is important, including how to build your own sales funnels, as we spoke about today in a greater detail. All right, so you can just take it as an extension of this video. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. If you want the 4-day video series, grab it. It's completely free and you get full access to it. It's in the link in the description below, the first one. And in that case, I will see you inside of it. If not, then in that case, I'm going to see you in the next videos. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to like it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. What are your thoughts about ClickFunnels? And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now so you get notified whenever I post a new video. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you again and have a great day. Bye, guys.